Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the variable in C# and data type in C#. I hope everyone have installed the .NET Core SDK and Visual Studio Code. Before explaining about the variable and data type in C#, let's create one console application in Visual Studio Code. Just open any folder where you want to create the new application. Like here in the D drive I have opened one just one minute. I have opened this particular folder, so type here cmd, and to create any .NET console application type here .NET, then .NET, give the space new console, press enter. It will create one console application. Please note here it has created one obj folder and then two files there, one with demo C#.cs proj and program.cs. Actually the application created with the name demo C#, because I have created this inside the folder demo C#. And one more thing, here we can give any name. For that we can use one another command, but let's go with this one. Now to open this particular project, just type here code space dot. It will open the application with the Visual Studio Code. Now by default it has opened the hello world project. One more thing, when first time you will open the Visual Studio Code, it will ask to install the C# extension. If it will not ask, just click here and search for C# here, and after searching it will show like this. Click on install. I have already installed, that's why it's giving me option to uninstall it. And after installing the C# console extension, we are ready to develop any application in the C# in Visual Studio Code. So this is the program.cs file, which contain one namespace, and namespace name is demo C#, which is matching with the project name, and then class name is program. So in the starting I will not go inside the namespace, class, or any method. Like here method name is main, because we will go step by step. First of all we will learn about the variables. So what is variable? Variable is you can say that it's like a box which will hold some value, and data type means what type of value it can hold. For example, a bottle can hold water, right? So water is the data type and bottle is the variable. And let's say there is some box which can in which we can store some solid thing. So solid thing is the data type, that we can store only solid things inside it, and that particular box is the variable. For example, there is, I am taking name, so name is the variable. So what type of things I can store in it? I can store only string. So string syntax is write the string name, then whatever you want to store here I want to store, suppose C#. So here just note C# is a string thing, so I am storing some string value inside the name. So I can say that this string value I am storing inside the name, which is the memory inside the processor, or you can say that this is the runtime memory which is storing some value. And what is the data type of this name? That is string, so it can store only string values. If I will say here 90, it will not store, it will not allow me to store 90 inside the name. It will give me runtime error. If I will run it, it will give me error. Let's try on it. I'm just going inside the terminal, new terminal. I will build it. On build it will give me error. So it's saying the error implicitly convert type into string. It means I cannot store 90 inside string. If I will say it's a int, in that case it will not give me any error, because I can store int value inside the int. Now let's again build it. Oh, I didn't press the Ctrl S, that's why. Now it's saying build succeed. It means one warning but zero error. One warning because I have not used this particular variable anywhere. So it's just saying we can remove it. So zero error. It means what is the variable? Variable is something which store the value. Now let's say I want to take here string that is first name. Let's say first name is Sam. Then I will say another string, let's say last name, and it's Jones, Sam Jones. And now I have two variables, first name, last name, and in the first name store the Sam, and in the last name I store the Jones. Now let's say another variable int age. So age will be integer type, let's say 32. And I would like to mention here, we will there are multiple data types, but we will cover only string, int, and bool. Multiple other data type exist, but for the learning purpose we will only first deal with the string, int, and bool. So variable is something which store the value, and data type is something which tell what type of value it will store. In the real life, I can say a balloon will store gas, a bottle will store water, and a box will store solid, any solid material. So that box, bottle, and balloon are the variables, and what type of things it will store, that are the data types. So to print anything inside the console application, we are using console.writeLine. So whatever we will paste here, it will print on the screen. Let's say first name. So first name is Sam, it will print first name. Let's print full name. We will take another variable string, let's say it's full name. Then we can concatenate first name and last name. We can combine both and put inside the full name. Let's say first name plus last name. It will combine both the names and will put inside the full name. Let's print the full name here. I will run it again. To run it, just press here, type here .NET run and press re-enter. See here, it is printed Sam Jones, but there is no space. To put this space, we will concatenate one more string here. Let's say it's a space, or we can say let's say there is a string and string name is, let's say name something. If I want to put any empty value, I can say like this is empty. If I want to put space, I can give space like this. I'm just removing it, so that space I'm using here. Even we can use minus sign between both the names. Now let's try what it will print now. Now it's printing Sam minus Jones, because minus is concatenated between both the names here. So first name, last name, full name, these are the variables of type string, and age of type int. What about boolean? Sometime let's say is married, so it will be yes or no. So in such case we can use the boolean type. Let's say just type bool. Bool will store only true or false. Either I can say true means yes, the person is married, or I can say false, that wrong, person is not married. We cannot store any other value. We cannot store yes, we cannot store no. Only true or false we can store inside the boolean. So like I told, we can use the console.writeLine just to print. We can print anything using console.writeLine, and even we can say full name is this, then we can concatenate further here as well, and here let's say age, then you just plus and type here age and try on it. Now it's printing Sam Jones, age 32. So like this we can use the variables and data type. Multiple data type exist, but we will focus only string, int, bool. When we will cover 4 to 5 videos, at that time we will include other data types like decimal and object. Mostly these type of data types are used. In the next video we will see what is array. Thank you everyone.